Hi all, welcome to our channel Student Station. இதுவரைக்கும் நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க ப்ளீஸ் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். இந்த வீடியோவில் 7th Standard Science Term 2 Unit 5 Basis of Classification லெசனோட புக் பேக் எக்ஸசைஸ் பார்க்கலாம். Take the page 80, 84. Roman number 1, choose the correct answer. First one. The following characteristics are essential for classification. Similarities, differences, both of them, none of them. The correct answer is C option, both of them. That is similarities and differences, both of them. Second, approximately dash species of living organisms found in the earth. Answer is A option, 8.7 million. Third, the largest division of the living world is kingdom. B option, kingdom is the answer. Then, fourth one. Who proposed the 5 kingdom of classification? Answer is Whittaker. C option is the right answer. Number 5. The binomial name of pigeon is Colombo livia. D option. Colombo livia. D option is the right answer. Binomial name of pigeon. Moving to Roman number 2, fill in the blanks. First one, Gaspard Bahin in 1623 introduced the binomial nomenclature. Answer is Gaspard Bahin. Second, species is the basic unit of classification. Answer is basic. Number 3, fungi are non-green and non-photosynthetic in nature. Fungi is the answer. Fourth, the binomial name of onion is Allium sativum. Allium sativum. Number 5, Carolus Linnaeus is known as the father of modern taxonomy. Answer is modern taxonomy. Moving to Roman number 3, true or false. If false, write the correct answer. First one, classification helps to know the origin and evolution of an organism. Answer is true. The statement is true. Second, fishes are aquatic vertebrates. Answer is true. Number 3, in the year 1979, 5 kingdom classification was proposed. The statement is false. The correct statement, in the year not 1979 rather wrong. So 1969 la 5 kingdom classification was proposed. That is the correct statement. Number 4, true nucleus is seen in prokaryotic cell. The statement is false. The correct statement is true nucleus is not seen in prokaryotic cell. Number 5, animal cells have no cell wall. So animal cells have cell wall. That statement is false. Correct statement is animal cells have no cell wall. That is the correct statement. Animal cell ku cell wall kadayadu. So that the correct statement. Then moving to Roman number 4, match the following. First one, Monera. Answer is bacteria. Number 2, Protista. Euglena. Answer is Euglena. Number 3, fungi. Molds. Answer molds. Plantae. Neem. Number 5, animalia. Butterfly. Number 3, 1, 4, 5, 2. Then page number 85. Roman number 5, assertion and reason questions. First one, assertion. Binomial name is the universal name and contains 2 names. Reason, it was first introduced by Carolus Linnaeus. For this, the answer is B option. Assertion is correct. Reasoning is incorrect. C option is the right answer. Second one, assertion. Identification, assortment and grouping are essential for classification. Reason, these are basic steps of taxonomy. Answer is A option. Assertion is correct. Reasoning is correct. For second one, A option is the right answer. Roman number 6, give very short answer. First one, what is classification? Page number 73. What is classification? 73 ல இருக்கு பாருங்க. See, what is classification கான answer? The method of arranging the organisms into groups is called classification. Roman number 6 ல first one answer. Blue color ல highlight பண்ணிருக்கு பாருங்க. Then question number 2. Question number 2. List out the 5 kingdoms classification. Page number 84. 84 ல points to remember ல இருக்கு பாருங்க. 1 to 3rd point ல இருக்கு பாருங்க. Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia. 6th Roman letter, second one answer. 5 kingdoms. Then third one, define dichotomous key. Dichotomous key வந்து page number 72. Dichotomous key. See, in 72, the dichotomous மேலே இருக்கு பாருங்க. The dichotomous key allows us to make quick reference and identify a particular thing. 6th Roman number, third one answer. Then question number 4. Fourth question, write 2 examples of Monera. Page number 81. 2 examples of Monera. 81 ல இருக்கு பாருங்க. Bacteria and blue green algae are examples for Monera. Bacteria and blue green algae. 6th Roman letter, 4th one answer. Then question number 5. 5th question, what is binomial nomenclature? Page number 84. This is also in points to remember ல இருக்கு பாருங்க. Binomial nomenclature is an universal system of naming organisms. It contains 2 names. Roman number 6th ல 5th one answer. Then question number 6, write the binomial name of human being. A, human being. B, paddy. Page number 83. See, 83 இந்த tabular columnல இருக்கு பாருங்க. Scientific names of some organisms இருக்கு இல்லையா. The human being அதோட scientific name என்ன? Homo sapiens. Then paddy ஓடது கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Paddy. Oryza sativa. Oryza sativa. இந்த பாருங்க, human being இது ஹைலைட் பண்ணியிருக்கா. Homo sapiens எழுதிக்கோங்க. அதோட scientific name. Then paddy. Oryza sativa. Roman number 6th ல 6th one கான answer. Then question number 7, write 2 features of Protista. Page number 81. Write 2 features of Protista. See, kingdom Protista கீழ இருக்கு பாருங்க. The kingdom Protista includes unicellular and a few simple multicellular eukaryotes. Second point, there are 2 main groups of protists. Algae, protozoans. Okay, ரெண்டு feature எழுத சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. First வந்து the kingdom Protista includes unicellular and a few simple multicellular eukaryotes எழுதிக்கலாம். Second point வந்து there are 2 main groups of protists எழுதிட்டு algae, protozoans அப்படின்னு எழுதிக்கோங்க. So then 7th question over. Next Roman number 7, give short answer. Next video ல பார்க்கலாம். Thank you for your support. Thanks for watching.